Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is going to demonstrate how to lay a click herringbone flooring. What we normally recommend is for you to open a pack and separate your A planks and your B planks. For this job in particular, you would require a hammer, a tapping block, a knife, pencil, and a long straight edge. A pull bar and a rubber mallet would also come in handy. Once you have separated your A planks and your B planks, start clicking them together. What you would want is 3 planks on the left and 3 planks on the right. Make sure the planks are tightly clicked in together using your tapping block and your hammer. Continue this process until you have 3 planks on either side. This particular floor is 47 centimeters long and 9.5 centimeters wide. From the top corner, you would want to measure all the way down to 47 centimeters, marking the full length of a plank. Once you have done that, you would use your straight edge. If you don't have a straight edge, you can click 2 planks together and use them as a straight edge. Now, if you look, the marking is made on the outer side, and the same thing will be marked on the other side. Once the marking is made, you can either use a table saw, if you have one, and run the whole thing across it, or unclip every single plank. If it's easier, mark the planks that you need as 1, 2s, 3s, 4s, and so on. So we're going to demonstrate that if a table saw or a jigsaw is not available or is not present, and we are unclipping every single plank to cut individually. So once we have cut every marked plank, we bring them back and start building it back together again. Once you have put your triangle back together, you can start building on this as you go, ensuring that the new pieces are tightly clicked in together. You do not need to worry about your triangle moving here, because you can always push it back to where you want it to go. From here, we need to make sure that every new piece of laminate that's adding to the triangle is clicked in properly and lines up perfectly. Now, if the plank is not fully aligned and you're about a millimeter or 2 out, do not worry, because the next plank will pull it together. But correcting this as you go is the perfect way to make sure there is no gaps. Please like, share, follow, subscribe. There will be more videos like this that will come out shortly.